20 male contestants in front of you. And now I would like to call upon stage Shami and Saurabh for the wonderful outfit and attire. Zordar taaliyan for Shami and Saurabh, the designers of these amazing outfits. Thank you so much, Shami and Saurabh. Thank you. Well, now it's time to announce top 10 contestants. I have the list. And congratulate करना चाहूँगी मैं सारे top 20 contestants को कि वो इस जर्नी में यहाँ तक पहुँचे. जोरदार तालियां सारे top 20 contestants के लिए. It's time to announce top 10 contestants. And first is contestant number in top 10. That is contestant number 15. Zordar taaliyan for contestant number 15. Contestant number 20. Contestant number 19. Contestant number 12. Contestant number 9. Contestant number 10. Come on everyone! तालियां नहीं रुकनी चाहिए. These are top 10 contestants. Contestant number 10 and next is contestant number 6. Contestant number 6. Contestant number 11. Contestant number 4. Keep cheering, guys. These are top 10 in front of you. And last but not the least, contestant number 5 in top 10. So these are the faces जो पहुंचे हैं अगले राउंड में. And to all the top 20 contestants जो यहाँ तक इस जर्नी में पहुंचे हैं, they are all the winners. And I would like to congratulate each one of you कि आप यहाँ पर आए and इस जर्नी में यहाँ तक पहुंचे. Thank you so much, rest of the contestants and top 10 contestants. Congratulations to all of you. Thank you. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. हमारे सामने है top 10 contestants. Trends Mr. Indore 2018 season 6. And now it's time for the question and answer round. Judges, be ready with your questions. And please keep passing the mic. Please announce the judge.
Gul Parvez, ma'am. Thank you for the question.
It's always a pleasure to ask questions to some handsome guys around. And you are all looking wow. Okay, my question to you is something very, very simple. Who would you save, tigers or a girl child?
First of all, a very good evening again to you and everybody here. Thank you for your question, ma'am. So, between a tiger and a girl, if there is a choice, I have to save one. I would save the girl. Because the tigers are actually, the tiger will eat the girl. So that's why I'll save the girl. Nobody will eat the tiger. Thank you.
About eating? We are not talking about eating. We are talking about who would you save if you have a child? A choice, tiger or girl child, because we are becoming quite rare. The girl child also need a lot of protection and shelter. On the other side, tigers, they are also evaporating. So who would you like to save and put your best bet on?
Again, I'll choose the girl child.
Just because you're a human species, that's why?
Maybe, ma'am.
Sudeepa Singh, ma'am.
Hello,
Hello, ma'am.
how are you feeling right now? Anji,
Hello, ma'am.
हेलो, कैसा लग रहा है आपको
बहुत
यहाँ?
अच्छा लग रहा है।
लास्ट राउंड है और आज ही फैसला हो जाएगा,
Yes, ma'am.
तो आर यू कॉन्फिडेंट?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, तो व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम?
अंकित कसेरा।
अंकित कसेरा। अंकित, आप अपनी फैमिली से कितना अटैच्ड है?
Fully attached, ma'am.
Fully attached है. So in the future, if you meet a girl and you're like completely in love with her, but your family is like या तो हम या तो लड़की, तो आप प्यार चुनेंगे या फैमिली?
मैम, मैं फैमिली चुनूंगा।
क्यों?
फैमिली से जुड़ा हूँ, मुझे फैमिली जो भी हूँ मैं फैमिली के कारण ही हूँ, फैमिली से ही जुड़ूंगा।
तो लड़की भी आपकी फैमिली है जो आपको आगे फैमिली देगी?
नहीं मैम, मैं मेरे फैमिली से ही जुड़ा रहूँगा।
हाँ,
फैमिली से ही जुड़ा रहूँगा।
फैमिली से। तो जो भी लड़की अंकित से प्यार करने वाली है, प्लीज हाँ, ये आपको छोड़ सकता है।
मैम, फैमिली नहीं छोड़ सकता।
नहीं, हो सकता है फैमिली गलत हो।
नहीं मैम,
नहीं?
नो।
No? ठीक है, all the girls, Ankit is here for you. Thank you, Ankit.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sudeepa ma'am.
उन्नति सिंह।
हाय प्रदुमन,
हेलो मैम।
हिंदी में?
हाँ मैम, हिंदी में ही।
ठीक है, तो आपके हिसाब से उन्नति तक पहुंच, ये उन्नति नहीं, सक्सेस वाली उन्नति, तो उस तक पहुंचने का सबसे शॉर्टेस्ट रास्ता क्या है?
मैम, बहुत शानदार क्वेश्चन है। मैम, मेरे हिसाब से सक्सेस तक पहुंचने का सबसे छोटा रास्ता मैम कड़ी मेहनत है, क्योंकि मैम ये अपने लक्ष्य के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि अपना लक्ष्य कितना बड़ा है। अगर आपका लक्ष्य छोटा है तो आप बहुत जल्दी मतलब कम मेहनत में कर लोगे, और अगर आपका लक्ष्य, आपके विचार बड़े हैं और आपका लक्ष्य बड़ा है तो आपको कड़ी मेहनत और सतत कार्य करना पड़ेगा। इससे आप अपना लक्ष्य को हासिल कर पाओगे।
इस समय आपका लक्ष्य क्या है?
मैम, मेरा लक्ष्य मैम मिस्टर वर्ल्ड बनना है। मैम, पहले मेरे को मिस्टर इंडिया बनना है, उसके बाद मैं मिस्टर वर्ल्ड बनना चाहता हूँ, और मैम एक दिन मैं मिस्टर वर्ल्ड बन के दिखाऊंगा।
थैंक यू सो मच।
वेलकम।
पुनीत सुरेखा।
Hi,
Hello.
what's our contestant number?
6.
Contestant number 6, Mars Chara.
Yes, sir.
Mars, what do you think our youth is facing the biggest problem today and why? Which is the biggest problem?
Actually, I believe that youth is not going for their passion. They are just following everyone. They are just behind the success. They are not following their passion. So that's the main issue.
They're not following their patience or passion?
Passion.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for the question.
Abhishek Tiwari, sir.
Hi Mohit, how are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. मोहित, आपने अपनी लाइफ में सबसे बड़ा डेयर कब लिया है?
सबसे बड़ा डेयर सर अभी तक मैंने कुछ लिया नहीं है। अभी तक काफ़ी कंफर्ट जोन में रहा हूँ। अच्छी चल रही लाइफ, देखते हैं आगे शायद लेने को मिले।
Okay. What's the significance of the beauty pageant to you?
I think, sir, it's about confidence, passion, and good behavior. That's it.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
अंशु खतूरिया मैम।
Hi, I would like to congratulate all of you all. May I know your contestant number?
5.
Bhavesh.
Bhavesh.
This one is a little tricky. If you don't end up winning this pageant, who would you like to see win and why?
If I don't win this pageant, like even after I win this, like we keep on wondering, we keep on thinking that someday after winning this pageant, we will keep on motivating others. So if I don't win this, I would love Pradyuman to win. From the day one, he keeps on motivating like anything. Like even if I don't win, I would love to Pradyuman to win.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
That's positive. Yes.
Unnati ma'am.
Hi.
Hi ma'am.
There's a very small question for you. Like, what do you think the biggest problem nowadays youth is facing and why?
शुक्रिया मैम क्वेश्चन के लिए। मैं इसका जवाब हिंदी में दूंगा।
जी बिल्कुल।
टुडे जो जनरेशन है, जो यंग जनरेशन है, ज़्यादातर वो डिप्रेस्ड है या फिर किसी भी चीज़ में मतलब नशा कर रही है या फिर ड्रग्स ले रही है, तो स्मोकिंग, और ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही आजकल हो रहा है। और ये शायद उनके डिप्रेशन की वजह से या जो भी है उसकी वजह से।
ये डिप्रेशन कहाँ से आता है, आपको क्या लगता है इस बारे में?
ये डिप्रेशन बहुत सारी जगह से आता है, जैसे कि पढ़ाई का हो गया और गर्लफ्रेंड का हो गया, घर वालों का हो गया, और ज़्यादातर तो गर्लफ्रेंड की वजह से ही इस चीज़ में पड़े हुए हैं।
बहुत अच्छी बात है, आप बीमारी को समझ गए हैं पहले ही।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
Good evening, ma'am. Sudeepa Singh, ma'am.
Hello, Rajat.
Hello, ma'am.
You're looking very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
अच्छा, तो मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि आप ये टाइटल क्यों जीतना चाहते हैं? Why do you want to win this title?
I'm to complete my aim of becoming a model. I think this is a first step that I should take. If I become Mr. MP, I should be famous. I want to enjoy the feeling to become Mr. MP. Then I can go for Mr. India. Then again and again for modeling also.
Oh my God! इतना बड़ा plan.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is it. सिर्फ इसीलिए आप ये pageant जीतना चाहते हैं?
And for my parents also, they supported me in my ups and downs, so I want to win for them.
And what about your girlfriend?
I don't have a girlfriend.
No.
No, ma'am.
So after this, पक्का एक मिलने वाली.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
अभिषेक तिवारी सर।
What's your number?
Contestant number 19.
Lakshya.
Yes sir.
Lakshya, do you believe in live-in relationship? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
And why?
Yes sir, I believe in a live-in relationship because a relationship is a combination of intellectual, emotional and physical compatibility between the two individuals.
Wonderful.
It gives the support and stability to both the individual. In today's society, stereotype sex should not be considered as a sole judgment criteria.
So you found your girl already?
Sorry sir?
You already found your girl?
No sir, not yet.
Okay.
Thank you sir.
Puneet sir.
Hi, may I know your contestant number?
Sir, contestant number 15.
15, Dipesh.
Yes sir.
Hi Dipesh, so you are the last to answer the question and then the crowning will be done. So, what do you think a title holder should possess the qualities?
Mr. Indore title holder should possess the qualities of, first of all, he should be kind, humble and friendly. He should have strong willpower and positive belief. And if these qualities one can have, he can do anything in life. What he wants, he will achieve. Because if you truly desire for something, you will achieve it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, judges. Thank you so much, top 10 contestants, for the wonderful question and answer round. Thank you so much for being here. And now it's time to move ahead. And the next thing is going to be a very tough thing, I think. क्योंकि इन सारे contestants में से अब जो runner-ups हैं, वो judges decide करके बहुत जल्दी हम तक list पहुंचाएंगे. So guys, please have some patience. And थोड़ी देर में results हमारे सामने होंगे. एक बार जोरदार तालियां for all the top 10 contestants in male and female category. Guys, before we begin to the next step of this event for the top contestants and runner-ups and the winner, there is one performance that is Pranjali and group. So let's invite them with a huge round of applause, everyone. Come on Indore, let's some energy. 11 बजे हमारी रात नहीं होती है, everyone.
Shimmy ya, drink, swalla la la, drink, swalla la la, swalla la la, shimmy ya, shimmy ya, drink, swalla la la, drink, swalla la la, swalla la la.
estamos en vivo. Sube, sube, sube el mic, mic. Que vamos para la jodera full, baby.
Ladies and gentlemen, after this refreshing performance, this is the time to declare fourth, third, second and first runner-up and superstars of tonight. The winners, Mr. and Miss Indore 2018 Season 6. Are you guys ready to know the results? Judges, I know आप लोगों के लिए ये काफी टफ रहा होगा. मैं जानना चाहूँगी अभिषेक सर आपसे. How was the whole session? एक कंटेस्टेंट को जज करके उनमें से अपनी क्या चीजों को सबसे ज्यादा प्रेफरेंस दी एंड
Of course, it was really difficult, and maximum weightage goes to the confidence and the answers, the way they carried the apparels, and of course the walk.
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल. वेल गुल जी, मैम आपसे भी मैं जानना चाहूंगी, गुल परवेज जी, आपके क्राइटेरियाज क्या थे रनर अप्स एंड विनर्स को चूज करने के?
Same criteria stay because it is an amalgamation of your confidence. It's the way you carry yourself. What is not in the package is important, but how it is packaged. And it was all about how you project yourself. So looks definitely are important, but eventually is how you carry yourself. So मेरे हिसाब से it was a very, very tough competition, boys and girls both. Every year the competitions are getting better and better. And I think today really, I mean, we also are quite keeping our fingers crossed who's going to win.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, every judge. And Indore, be ready, क्योंकि अब आपके सामने विनर्स एंड रनर अप्स होने वाले हैं. एक बार जोरदार तालियां सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स के लिए जो यहाँ तक पहुंचे, टॉप 10 में गए और अब अगले राउंड के लिए भी तैयार हैं.
Hello. There is one special prize for the winner of Miss MP 2018, and may I have the clip? That's a Manish Malhotra styling course of 1 year, online course.
Wonderful.
Fashion, mainstream fashion. There's a lot of struggle, there's a lot of hardships, but there's also a lot of fulfilling experiences. You can now reach me online. Seek my insights into the world of fashion, creativity, costume design, to Bollywood films, to wedding collections, to bridal wear, to so much more. I look forward to sharing with you all my experiences and to help you fulfill your dream. आपका जो सपना है उसे fulfill करने के लिए let's meet at the INIFT NST centers and work hard passionately towards your goal. You and me share one thing in common. That's our love for Indian cinema, Bollywood films. A long journey of various actresses and superstars and fabulous actors, from Sridevi to Karishma Kapoor to Kareena Kapoor, Urmila Matondkar, Raveena Tandon, Shilpa Shetty, to the very young Alia Bhatt. And so many actors, from the young Siddharth Malhotra, Varun Dhawan, to Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, to Shah Rukh Khan, to all the wonderful actors I have worked with. I want to share my experiences with all of you youngsters out there to learn and unlearn what all we keep thinking is design and fashion. I want to push you to learn a lot more, to come out with that passion and hard work and be as creative as you can, because the world of fashion needs you. It's not just an online course. We have centers all over India to give you a blended learning experience. So walk into one of the centers of INFT, LSD, and let's do this course together and make a fashion designer out of you.
Thank you so much, Popman, for being a sponsor of this wonderful event. Huge round of applause for all these sponsors. Thank you so much. अब आगे बढ़ने से पहले, रिजल्ट्स डिक्लेयर करने से पहले, जो इस मोमेंट तक सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स को लेकर आए हैं, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द जजेस टू प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज. गाइज, जोरदार तालियां सारे जजेस के लिए. ये तालियों में इतनी कंजूसी क्यों? इंदौर 11 बजे सोता नहीं है. कम ऑन गाइज, शो सम एनर्जी, मेक सम नॉइज. अब तो असली समय आया है. एंड आई एम श्योर सबकी धड़कने, नॉट इवन कंटेस्टेंट्स, उनके पेरेंट्स, उनकी फैमिली, उनके फ्रेंड्स, आप सब लोग फिंगर क्रॉस करके बैठे होंगे कि आपके फ्रेंड जो यहाँ पर पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, आपके फैमिली मेंबर, वो इस टाइटल को जीते. तो द मोमेंट हैज कम. All the wonderful judges are here on stage. I would like to thank each one of you for taking out time and being here. And now guys, are you all ready to know the results? I can't believe कि आप लोग ready हैं. Please show some energy. Are you guys ready? Yes, wonderful. That's Indore. Well, सबसे पहले शुरुआत करें. Not ladies first, this time males first. I would start with 5th runner-up, 4th runner-up, and that is contestant number 4th runner-up in boys. That is contestant number 15. Huge round of applause for contestant number 15. 4th runner-up. Fourth runner-up in girls. Any guesses, guys? Fourth runner-up in girls. Congratulations. Contestant number 15, Deepesh. Fourth runner-up in girls, in female, is contestant number 12, Prerna. Huge round of applause, guys. Contestant number 12, 4th runner-up in female. Wonderful and memorable moment. And now it's time to announce runner-up, 3rd runner-up in male. 3rd runner-up in male is contestant number 11. Congratulations. 3rd runner-up in male. Contestant number 11. Basit. That is contestant number 17, Sania. Congratulations to third runner-up. Congratulations. Let's move on to second runner-up. Second runner-up is contestant number 9. Pradyuman. Second runner-up, contestant number 9, Pradyuman. It's your confidence which takes you forward in life. Pradyuman ki fan following is too much. Well, congratulations to you. And now, second runner-up in female category is contestant number 19. That is Divya. Congratulations. Come on everyone, तालियां कम नहीं होनी चाहिए. Second runner-up in female category. Time to announce second runner-up Miss MP 2018 Season 6. This is a wonderful, a memorable moment for all the contestants. And now I would like to announce first runner-up in the male category. That is contestant number 5. First runner-up. Congratulations, contestant number 5. Please come ahead. First runner-up in front of you guys. Inder. Congratulations to you, Bhavish. And now I would like to announce first runner-up in female category. Any guesses, guys? That is contestant number 1, Priya. First runner-up in girls. Big congratulations, Priya. Please come ahead. Come on, everyone! Keep cheering up! So these are 4 runner-ups in front of you guys. And now it's time to announce winner's name. Yes, Trends Mr. and Miss 2018 in front of you.
In boys? Any guesses? Okay. Okay. Winner is Mohit, contestant number 4. Mohit, okay, now is the time for the winner of Miss Indore 2018. Contestant number 10, Anjali.